So KEA has once again released the revised PGCET 2021 schedule, that is for the first round of seat allotment. So the students who are taking the admission for MBA, MCA, MTech and architecture courses, you can just have a look at the schedule that has been displayed by KEA. So the first seat matrix and the fee structure for all the disciplines will be released on 11 January 2022 after 2 p.m. on. And the option entry, you can do it from 11 January 2022 to 13 January 2022 up till 4 p.m. You will be having a sufficient time. So in these 3 days, you can make the choice, you can make the option entry. Publication of the mock allotment results, that will be released on 14 January 2022 after 4 p.m. After the publication of the mock results, you can just have a look at it, and after checking the mock allotment result, if you want, you will have the option to make the changes. So in consultation with your parents, you can make the changes, and you are free enough to make changes in the order that you have given out. That is, you can reorder it, you can delete it, you can add any of the choices of the courses, or any more preferences of the colleges will be available if you have not added those. So you can just add those colleges also. So you can alter any in whichever way you want it. So you are free enough to make any alterations in the list that you have already provided, and that will be open from 17 January 2022 till 11 p.m. You can just make the changes. That is, from 15 Jan to 17 Jan, you can make the changes. Then afterwards, the final first round seat allotment result will be declared. That is on 18 January 2022 at 11 a.m. Then after that, you have to make the choice entry. That is from 19 January 2022 to 20th Jan 2022 morning 11 a.m. you have time. So in that period, you have to make the choices. So there are 4 choices that is available. That is choice 1, choice 2, choice 3 and choice 4. Out of 4 choices, you have to select any one choice and you have to enter there. So in my next video, I'll just make a complete detailed video on all these 4 choices, so that you will come to know what is the meaning of these 4 choices and which choice you have to select it. So do subscribe for this channel so that you will get all the latest updates. And the next one is, once you make a choice entry, so the students who have made choice 1 and choice 2, you will have to download the fees payment challan, and you have to make a payment in the banks between 20th to 24th January 2022. After making the payment, students who have selected choice 1, you will have to download the admission order and you have to report to the college. So that is before 25th January 2022, before 5:30 p.m. you have to go to the college. You have to carry all the documents that is mentioned in the verification slip. You have a verification slip with you. So whatever the list of documents that is mentioned in that, you have to carry all those original documents and you have to report to the college. So this is all about the schedule of that has been released by KEA. So for all latest updates, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe for my channel, and see you all in my next video. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy.